If you want to develop with a versatile game engine but aren't too keen on paying subscriptions or royalties to the big names in the business, Godot might just be the right avenue for you. The engine's development was spearheaded by Juan and Ariel back in 2007, and saw its first stable release in 2014 alongside light mapping and nav mesh support. Versions 2 and 3 would come in 2016 and 18 respectively, which would bring multiple scene editing, a new file system browser, debugging buffs, VR support, C# via mono, and bullet for physics to the open source software. There's plenty of other features worth noting too, like level of detail, multi-threading, and render targets to name a few. And the engine runs on all the development environments you'd expect. It also allows developers to configure its resolution settings and texture compression by platform. Godot has a node-based architecture, wherein all of a given game's resources are stored in the computer's file system rather than a database. This method was done to make source control easier on collaborating teams, but can raise issues if you're working on a system that isn't case sensitive and migrate over to one that is. Although the engine can be considered young compared to its contemporaries, Godot actually has a sizable community behind it. You can find them on Twitter, Discord, Reddit, and through their Facebook group of over 12,000 folks. There's an active QA page and a hefty documentation section that runs the gamut from sample scripts to physics tutorials too, so there's more than enough ways to interact with people and learn how to tackle the program. If you want to browse around to see what's been made with the technology so far, you can consult their showcase page to review a few games. Since the engine supports both 2D and 3D works, you'll find there's quite a bit of flexibility and variety in what's been done before. For those looking to learn or lighten their workload, there's also an asset library that hosts all kinds of tools, scripts, and demos you can download. From tutorials like how to make kinematic characters published by the official team, or Jiggly Bones produced by a community member, there's a lot of options to explore. And like any noteworthy open source production, you can download a branch of the project on GitHub to contribute to its development, or just send them bugs and feature requests if you're not interested in getting your hands dirty. The engine doesn't cost a cent, but the official team does have a Patreon if you want to lend your support through financial means. The crowdsourcing goals are to hire on full-time staff to improve production, so it's a worthy initiative to get behind if you appreciate the work they're doing. But whether you want to help its development or just want to produce your own projects, you should go give it a shot.